down the allotment, just have a quick look, make sure that no damage has been done. Thankfully, we've got away with this year. Had a lot of damage last year, but nothing's really happened. A few things blew over. Stuff come from other sites. But let's spin it around, let's have a look. This has always been the same. You can see that red cover. It's born from over there somewhere. That's still stood up. The main thing is that has actually took the wind. I think it helps when we put all the glass back in. So let's shrink it in a little bit. A few things to blow over. Big log here, because you've noticed. What's missing? Yes, we started to cut this down. So unfortunately, halfway through I run out of battery on my GoPro, and I also run out of battery and the petrol chainsaw's playing up. So just need to cut this lot into pieces. All this is going to be cut down. All that lot there, let me take it a bit nearer. All that lot there is going to be chopped up into reasonable sizes. I'm thinking about taking this one out because I'm getting some sort of tree in the middle, fruit, and I'm not too sure what it is. I don't want to really start eating it if I don't know what it is. I've not managed to actually trim the plum tree as of yet, because apparently you don't trim these in winter. You trim them when they're just starting to actually get the buds, etc. So it's easy when you see it like this because it's dead bare, so I can actually see where I need to cut it there and there, just to bring, and there maybe, just to bring it flat there. But all in all, we're not done too bad. You can see here where I've actually cut the tree away. You can see where it's actually grown through the wire. So that was a bit of a pain in the backside. So obviously you don't want to be catching this with a chainsaw. So I put that there. It's not on this allotment. As you can see, this cover here, that's possibly come from here somewhere. The wind is now starting to pick up again. Apparently, we've got over one storm yesterday, and there's another one on its way tomorrow. So we're going to get battered again with more 100-mile-an-hour winds. This structure is just blowing around at the moment. Not too bad, but it's now starting to get really, really windy again. Up to now, there's no damage. All in all, just a bit of a quick update. I'm only come down here myself to have a look at what's going on. What I'll do is I'll show you the tree being cut down on the end of this clip. It's not much because, like I say, it does cut me short because the battery went flat. But well, allotment today, I'm with Tony. So say hello, young man.
Hello, young man.
Young man. Right.
How you doing, folks?
Sass for today. Let's see if we can get this down. Right, thanks for watching, and see you all soon.